Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this L01 Pro TV backlight for 55 to 65 inch TVs. So let's go ahead and open up and see what we've got in the box. So first we've got the actual light strip. So the light strip is going to be, it's going to fit 55 to 65 inch TVs. So there's an adhesive at the back of this light strip, which makes it very easy to actually go ahead and paste to the back of your TV. Now these right here are adhesive clips to kind of hold the wiring on the back of the TV as well. So this is going to be really useful, just to make sure that the light strip is actually secure onto the back of your TV. So definitely make sure that you do use these adhesive clips as well. It looks like you've also got the cleaning wipe to before you actually paste your light strip onto the back of your TV, you do want to make sure that you prep it with a pad and remove any dust on the back. Then you have the power adapter, and then you also have the camera. So the camera is located here, and this simply just sits at the top of your TV. And so essentially what's happening is that as your camera starts to sit on the top of your TV, it starts to see the colors. And based on the colors of what it sees, that's how it knows what colors to show onto the light strip itself. So a really neat way to kind of have a nice visual experience. But with that, those are all the components that are included on this TV backlight. I've had no problems with it whatsoever.